Hello friends, are you using Windows operating system? Have you ever tried to protect your folders using password? It's very easy. Today we are going to discuss how to protect your folders using password. You don't need to install any external softwares. Before going to the video, I'll remind you to subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the continuous update.
Suppose if you are using official computer, party photos, official letters, these are confidential data, customer detail, sensitive data. You cannot keep this in a public place. So definitely we need to have a facility to protect these folders using password. Right. The question now, where we can use the password? Password is available inside this bat file. Okay, what is bat file? Bat file is a Windows batch file. This is very tiny file, something around 900 bytes, not even a kilobyte, right? So what is available in this batch file? So don't worry, you don't need to write this program. You can download this batch file from my description below this video. So after downloading this, you just wanted to change your password at line number 27. After changing the password at line number 27, when you double click this key.bat file, it will generate a new folder called mylocker folder. After that, you can track all your confidential folders and files inside mylocker folder. Then when you double click this key.bat file again, you will see this window. Are you sure you want to lock the folder? If you press simple Y or capital Y, your folder is disappeared. So you can keep like this. Whenever you need to access that folder, again double click at this key.bat file. So you will get this screen asking enter a password to unlock folder. So remember your password all the time. And my password is ABC123. But purposefully I am giving a wrong password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is wrong password. But let's see. Nothing happened. Again, when I double click this bat file, enter a password to unlock this folder. So ABC123. This is my password. Right. Now you can see the folder here. So like this, you can keep secure your folder using password.